Here are some tips on how to get a smoother, more comfortable shave for your underarms, chest, and groin, including skin prep, shaving, and equipment. Whether you call it manscaping or body grooming, masterful body shaving is all in the technique. But it also helps to have the right tools. We recommend a trimmer with multiple combs for the length you want, like the all-purpose styler from Gillette. Let's start with the underarms. Choose the trimmer length that's right for you and run the trimmer back and forth to remove as much hair as you want. With a waterproof styler, you can even trim in the shower. Next, time to shave. If you haven't yet, you'll want to take that hot shower now. It softens the hair and allows the razor to glide more easily. Apply some shave gel to improve glide and help protect against nicks, cuts, and irritation. And shave with light, gentle strokes, rinsing often. Underarm hair grows in all different directions, so use a multi-blade razor that shaves well with or against the grain, like Gillette Styler with Fusion Pro Glide blades. If the blades feel dull or the lubrication strips look faded, time to grab a new one. Make sure to moisturize. Next stop, chest shaving. You can either use your trimmer to shorten the hair, or if you want it totally smooth, lather up with shave gel and use those light, gentle strokes to remove the hair with your razor, rinsing as you go. Just be careful around those nipples. Avoid shaving directly over them, and moisturize afterward to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Finally, pubic hair shaving and trimming. Start by carefully trimming the hair as short as you want. The skin down there is sensitive, so when it comes to groin shaving, you'll want to use a fresh blade. And plenty of shave gel to help minimize irritation. Pull your skin taut with one hand and shave carefully with the other. Rinsing the blades often and reapplying shave gel as needed. Make sure to moisturize. And that's how you do it. You just mastered Body Grooming 101.
Haircut, trim, groom, and detail with Wahl's Stainless Steel Lithium Ion Plus. With high-performance blades, our most advanced lithium-ion technology, and a real brushed stainless steel body, this trimmer is truly the best. It also comes equipped with 4 interchangeable heads and 8 guide combs to make trimming and haircutting even easier. The stainless steel T-blade is good for close cuts, faded and full haircuts with added guide combs, and trimming various beard lengths using the beard guides. The detail shaver is perfect for getting closer, clean-cut shaves. The detail trimmer is effective for cleaning up close detail shaves. And the ear nose trimmer is great for trimming those sensitive, hard-to-reach ear and nose areas. Pick up your stainless steel Lithium Ion Plus trimmer today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do.